guys, so today we are back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe. So today we have an Amazon package. What do you think is going to be inside? What do you think?
I think it's going to be like a Poppets, probably some toys, you know what I mean? Because this is just really fun.
Okay. So
let's open it up. Let's see what's going to be inside. Let's get that in. It's going to kind of get a little bit hard here. And Poppets and some bubble wrap.
What's this?
I think that's some jelly fruits.
It's jelly fruits. Wait, I see a big jar too. Why is it upside down?
I don't even know why. Jelly straws.
Jelly strips? Wow.
And Poppets.
Look at all of these.
Look at all of these, and today we're going to be trying most of these and playing with more of the Poppets today.
Okay, let's put these down here so we can try out the Poppets.
And I love popping bubble wrap. Who does not like the feeling of popping bubble wrap?
That isn't bubble wrap, but okay.
It is bubble wrap.
Oh. I'm going to try to use this one because it looks like it has a whole bunch out of it.
I'm gonna get this good old what's thing?
Scarecrow, I think.
Scarecrow? I think yeah, it's Scarecrow or Rich.
Oh, it has a zip. Alright, come on, let's take this down. I'm getting an what? How'd the back just open?
What?
Did we drop any?
No.
Okay.
Well, continuing. Now let's do this.
Ooh, look at mine. I got Batman.
Very satisfying.
Come on, put your Poppet bags down there so you can play with them.
It's actually really fun, actually.
Put it on the table.
This just relieves stress, you know what I mean? Like, if you wanna relieve your stress, just play with Poppets.
Oh, I got the bad side first. Never mind, there is no bad side.
That's a bat wing. It means that you know.
Time to go on the good side. Try out all the Poppets. Oh, that.
Yours is more poppy. Yeah, the bad side. The good side is where it pops.
Okay, I'm gonna try my other one. Where'd your bag go?
The back? On the floor. Okay.
Oh, look! Mine has a face.
That looks like Hisoka. Oh, no spoilers for Hunter x Hunter. What the heck is this? This is spider?
Is that a spider?
I think so. Oh, duh. Here's it. That's
mine isn't like foamy or anything. You can't like turn it. Mine is like
I got a spider.
Put these on the floor.
Let's take this down.
Okay.
Damn.
Oh, this one is so good.
Let me hear that one. Oh, it's
look, it has a heart too. Ooh.
Okay, time for the spider Poppet. Let's go.
Tarantula.
I got the bad side first. Oh,
sure
never mind.
Side?
Never mind. Look at these little small ones, little nibble ones. It'll take me days to finish these ones.
Alright.
Look at you.
Oh, I got a keychain one too? Where is it?
I got a keychain one too. Let me see that.
Look at it. Look what it says. It has letters on it.
Let me see what it says.
No, it's just letters, like a keyboard.
Oh, okay. PC gamer does got everything. I'm almost done with my spider, guys.
Ooh. Gonna be a good one.
And we're done. Keychain one.
Ooh.
Now let's go to the next one.
Oh, it feels good. Like you can feel the No, we didn't see Gumball. Okay. They lost Gumball?
No way.
Uh-oh. Well, let me see if I have the good side. Oh, just the good side.
So we got these good old, I don't even know what these are, some fire horns or whatever. Then
Probably some like devil horns, which is like, you know, a Halloween thing.
and then we got some more. I think this might
Look,
be
I got a
part of, I
pumpkin,
think you
guys.
have to,
And
I think you
then
have to put this together.
my last two, I got two keychain
Put
ones.
this.
I got a ghost, and I got a pumpkin.
Guys, look at this one. This is going to turn into something big.
Lucky. Let me get this pumpkin open.
Now, oh, it fell down. The jester fell down. I think it's some type of jester or whatever. Then I'm gonna put this back on. This bad boy on.
Oh, look, mine has letters on it too. Look, mine says Happy Halloween for you guys too. If you're gonna see this on Halloween.
Happy Halloween to
Happy
everybody
Halloween.
who's watching this. Happy Halloween, because Halloween's coming soon. And look at this, all assembled. Who's ready to hear the puppet sounds? Let's go. Those are so satisfying.
Okay, I'm on my good side. Boop. Okay.
Oh,
It's my keychains.
now that's it. And there's some little.
That's it for you.
I don't think there's any more poppet bags.
Is there any more inside the bag?
I don't think so. Let me check. I don't think so. I'm gonna take. Give me. Maybe I can try this one.
Okay, sure.
This one's a keychain one.
Oh, mine doesn't pop because it's so flat. But
At the end, we can probably just rate which one that makes the best poppet sounds at the end of this. And you guys can decide too in the comments down below which one that makes the best poppet sounds on the good side. And on the good side, we're made by
keep
one
popping
of the ones that
myself.
pop, like it has the most sound.
Oh, it keeps
I
popping.
got my bad side.
Why does it keep popping by itself?
Now go back on the good side.
Oh look, it's like a game. You know where you like smack that hammer thing? Like these keep popping up.
Look at this. Boo! That was almost crazy, right? Anyways,
Pumpkin.
let me use this Hizuka one again. This one actually looks pretty good. Let's see it again. Yeah. Oh my god, these ones have one of the best poppets
Okay.
pops in the whole
We're gonna
world.
see you guys. Bye.
Bye!